Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your Xiaomi ID, the current phone tied to the account, and a working internet connection. Open settings on your Xiaomi device or visit account. Calm and sign in immediately. This is the first actionable step. Once signed in, navigate to account security because that's where phone bindings live. Make sure two-step verification is visible. If it is, note backup codes now so you don't get locked out during the change. Now you verify your identity. Xiaomi requires proof before changing a phone number. Choose Manage Phone under Security, then request the verification code via SMS or email. Use the Authenticator app if you set one up. Enter the code promptly because codes expire quickly. Once verified, select the option to remove the old number. The system may enforce a brief time lock to prevent rapid swaps. This step prevents account takeover. Finally, add your new phone number and request the SMS verification code. This is how Xiaomi confirms ownership. You enter the code, tap Confirm, and then set the new number as primary. Make sure to update recovery email and backup options right after. Once done, sign out and sign back in to confirm everything synced. If something goes wrong, retry the code, use your backup codes, or contact Xiaomi support with your account ID and screenshots. This resolves most edge cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.